Hi guys. Here are the expectations for week 35 for our e-learning assignments. So again, as always, go to our Blackboard page. That's where everything will be posted. Under week 35 assignments, you are going to find your agenda for what we're doing this week. Again, there's nothing that you have to do with that. That's just letting you know what we're doing. And then here is our Zoom meeting. I'm going to hold a Zoom meeting this week because I didn't last week. So if you have any questions about anything that we're doing, whether it be this week's assignments or the previous weeks, you can get on and just let me know what questions you have, and I'll do my best to answer them. So last week we started doing genetic engineering, and this week, I'm sorry, my husband's being a goose egg. This week we are going to do the immune system. So most of you have probably had information over the immune system, whether it be in your labs or in your anatomy physiology classes. So hopefully this is a little bit of a review, but if not, hopefully I've set you up well enough that you will be able to understand some of it, if not all. So here are a couple of videos that you need to watch. One of them is over the innate immunity, and one of them is over the adaptive immunity. Each are about 10 minutes long, so you need to watch both of those. Here are your immune system notes. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I got these notes off of Teachers Pay Teachers because I liked all of the graphics and just how it went about explaining it. So you are going to work your way through this and answering all of these or reading through and going over this. And it does a pretty good job of explaining everything. Now you're going to notice that this says part 1. We are only working on part 1 this week, so you don't have to worry about parts 2 and 3. So while it says there are a lot of slides, you are only doing part 1 this week, okay? So after you read that, you're going to come down here to part 1, immune system questions. This is your assignment for the week, okay? You don't have any CK12 this week, just because I put the notes up there and then the videos. So not to be redundant, I just kept it with that. So you will answer all of these questions. I think it is 56 or 58 points total. So after you answer the questions, obviously submit that, and that will be one of your grades for the week. The other thing that you guys are going to do, and this may be a reason that you may have to log on to Zoom if you're having difficulties still after watching this video. So you are going to be doing an escape room, an immune system escape room. Miss Group kind of adapted this for e-learning. So just as we go through, what you're going to do is you're going to click this document, and it's going to open a PowerPoint, okay? So here's the PowerPoint that you're going to work through. Here are the instructions, okay? And then down here is a link that you need to click in order to get to the Google form, and I'll do that in a second. Here are the questions that you have to answer. So there's level 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 5. So you're going to answer these questions. Question 1, 2, 3, and 4. You are going to record your answer for each question on a piece of paper. So you could do level 1, Q1, and then your answer, level 1, Q2, your answer, Q3, your answer, Q4. And then once you are there, once you have that, whoops, let me see if I can just copy this. You just need this form. Oh my goodness. All right, we'll go about this a different way. You just need to open this Google form, okay? So you'll go, once it's there, sorry guys. So you'll go to your drive. Well, you guys will click the link and hopefully it works. And you're going to click this immune system escape room. Okay. Now, once you're here, you guys are going to answer these questions. Okay, so you'll put your first name, your last name, what hour you're in, and then you'll see this picture. Now, this picture is the trickiest one, and it says that on the PowerPoint. But so if your first answer was A, you would trace A all the way down to number 4, and then that will give you a answer, a code. And so you enter that code, and then it'll move on to the next if you're right. Okay, so that is how that will be completed, and I will have this response up here, and once you have put your name in, the response the responses will show up, and then that will be how you get your other grade. All right, so that is how the 2 assignments that you're going to be getting this week. It's going to take some time to go through the notes and watch the videos, and so I gave you quite a bit of time to do that, and then also answer these questions and to do the escape room in case you have problems with that. Other than that, that is what we're doing this week. Next week, we will learn about how vaccinations and that type of stuff. So again, if you have any questions, the Zoom meeting is Wednesday at 11. You can show up with questions and I will help you. Otherwise, watch these videos and then read through the notes, and that will be your work for the week. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care. Bye.